Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.3 question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Question number A. Question number A is you have to check whether this 5 by 9 is equivalent to 30 by 54 or not. 5 by 9. One number is 5 by 9. Another number is 30 by 54. Right? If you change it into lowest term, you divide lowest term, that is by 6, 6 5 is 30 and 6 9 is 54. Both are same. Therefore, you can say that 5 by 9 is equal to 30 by 54. 30 by 54. Therefore, you can say that these fractions are equivalent. These fractions are equivalent. Fractions are equivalent. Right? Now we solve question number B. Question number B is question number B. Question number B is 3 by 10. One is 3 by 10 and another number is 12 by 50. 12 by 50. If you reduce this number into lowest term, then we are getting by cutting 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 25 is 50, 6 by 25. Therefore, 3 by 10 is not equal to 6 by 25. Not equal to 6 by 25. Therefore, you can say that 3 by 10 and 12 by 50 are not equivalent fractions. Not equivalent fractions. Next we repeat, solve question number C. Question number C is question number C. Question number C, 7 by 13. 7 by 13 and 5 by 11. 5 by 11. Since this fraction 7 by 13 is not equal to 5 by 11, 5 by 11, therefore these fractions are also not equivalent. These fractions are not equivalent. Right? This is the solution of question number 6, exercise 7.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.